What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another video for you guys. Take a look. We got the Air Jordan 13 Court Purple set to release January 8th with a retail price of 190 bucks. Dope colorway right here, guys. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet. Stay tuned for that on feet. And also, before we get into this video, all you new guys out there, hit that thumbs up, and all my day ones, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. I was bringing it to you early so you guys can get a good look at the shoe, see if you like it or not. In my opinion, man, they're pretty dope. Like, if you like the Bread 13s, you're definitely gonna like these. Take a look at the box. OG Jordan 13 box. Got the purple Jumpman right there. When you open up the box, you just got your regular white paper. Size tag reads Air Jordan 13 Retro. The colorway is black, court purple, white. Retail is $190. As you can see, starting off with the side panel, you can see you got your Suede. Suede is very nice, just like your Red 13s. The Hyper Royal 13s, you know, similar to those. You got the hologram, of course, 23 in there. These are inspired by the Black Panther, and that is basically the eye on the Panther. Now, on the whole upper of the shoe, it is in 3M reflective. I will show you guys. I'll take a picture and show you guys right now. Take a look. On the front of the toe, you got some black leather, real nice black leather. You got the Jordan right there. Of course, behind there, you do got the Roman numeral 13, black laces coming up on the tongue. You got the Jumpman in the purple with the nice suede on the tongue. These is nice, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, these are very, very nice. I'm really happy I picked these up. But let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. Got the suede in the purple, goes towards the back and the side with your nice reflective up in the upper right here. Very, very nice. Like, the shape, everything about these is just dope, man. I'm really, really liking these a lot. As for sizing on Jordan 13s, I do recommend you guys go true to size. I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Take a look at the back. The back, you see them eyes looking at you right there. Hologram, purple in the back. Take a look at the bottoms, guys. You can see got your white traction in the bottom. You got a hologram right there in the black with the white Jumpman. Does have the carbon fiber plate in the bottom. And yeah, you got your purple down there also. I want to know what you guys think about these Jordan 13s. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? Happy holidays to all you guys out there. I hope you guys stay safe and have a great time. The Air Jordan 13 Court Purples set to release January 8th for a retail price of 190 bucks. And I know 2022 is going to be a lot of heat, and I hope I'm able to bring you guys a lot of stuff, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. Thank you all for your support, man. I appreciate all you. Happy holidays to all you guys out there, man. It's your boy DS Dan. Let's get into this on feet, and I'm gone.